Now it's grammar time. Look, Jack is milking the cow now. When we speak about a process, we use the present continuous tense. Time markers for present continuous. Now, at the moment, at present. Look, listen. Jack is milking the cow now. Jack milks the cow every day. When we speak about regular actions, we use the present simple tense. Time markers for present simple. Every day, usually, often, always, on Fridays. Albert goes to the cinema on Fridays. Compare. He's studying grammar at present. He studies every day. If you're planning to do something in the near future, you can use present continuous. Jack is visiting Albert next week. He is planning to do it. Albert is leaving London tomorrow. He is sure that he'll leave. He has got a ticket. Jack is waiting for Albert. Albert is leaving the city to visit the countryside. Let's wish them good luck.